Vouloir.
means to want. In this video, we will learn how to say the verb to want in the future tense and its conjugation with the subject pronouns. Hello and welcome back to your own French learning channel, Learn French with Di.Vi. To conjugate the verb in future tense, we need to know the future stem and the future ending, which we have already learned in our earlier video. To refresh your knowledge, here is the table of future ending that we have learned. In French, some verbs do not follow any pattern for conjugation. This verb falls in same category. You don't have to apply any rule or logic to get the future stem. So, the future stem of this verb is written like this. As you can see, there is no correlation between the verb and future stem. We just have to remember it. Now, we have subject pronoun, future stem, and future ending. Let's see how we combine this to conjugate the verb in future tense. I will want.
Je voudrais.
You will want, in formal way.
Tu voudras.
He will want, masculine.
Il voudra.
She will want, feminine.
Elle voudra.
We will want, formal way.
Nous voudrons.
You will want, formal way.
Vous voudrez.
They will want, group of males or mixed people.
Ils voudront.
They will want, group of only females.
Elles voudront.
Now that we've conjugated the verb in the future tense, let's explore some examples. I will want to go on vacation.
Je voudrais partir en vacances. Je voudrais partir en vacances.
You will want a piece of cake.
Tu voudras un morceau de gâteau. Tu voudras un morceau de gâteau.
He will want to buy a new car.
Il voudra acheter une nouvelle voiture. Il voudra acheter une nouvelle voiture.
She will want to see this new movie.
Elle voudra voir ce nouveau film. Elle voudra voir ce nouveau film.
We will want to help our friends.
Nous voudrons aider nos amis. Nous voudrons aider nos amis.
You will want to visit this museum.
Vous voudrez visiter ce musée. Vous voudrez visiter ce musée.
They will want to leave early tomorrow morning.
Ils voudront partir tôt demain matin. Ils voudront partir tôt demain matin.
They will want to try this new restaurant.
Elles voudront essayer ce nouveau restaurant. Elles voudront essayer ce nouveau restaurant.
Let's repeat the conjugation one more time.
Je voudrais. Tu voudras. Il voudra. Elle voudra. Nous voudrons. Vous voudrez. Ils voudront. Elles voudront.
For quick reference, I have organized the verb conjugations into a structured table. We will learn some more verbs in coming videos. Till then, please keep practicing. Goodbye for now and see you in next video. Thank you for tuning in and watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more such training videos and share this video with your friends and family.